What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new middle of the day market update. Again, kind of at the same at the same point of time as yesterday. It's again a very crucial point today, as the US market is opening in 7 minutes. When you're watching this video, it has already opened, and that's going to be crucial. All right, especially if you look at where Bitcoin is right now. In its market structure and what's going on right now, we're at a crucial support level right here between 56 and 57,000. We need to hold this, all right? If we don't hold this, and for that I want to zoom out a bit, we're dropping down into the low 50s with a potential drop, if we don't see strength from there, a potential drop into the 40s. So pretty crucial. And yesterday what we saw, unfortunately, is that the US opened not so good, with the stocks falling. And right now the question is well, what can we do? The pre-market is already trading lower, but that doesn't say that much. This is already known, right? So that's not going to have an effect on Bitcoin. How will the stock market open? If the stock market continues falling, I think Bitcoin has absolutely no chance. We will give up 56,000 and we'll drop down to at least 54,000, with the potential of dropping down lower. And if the stock market is actually able to find support and stabilize a little bit, then I think Bitcoin has a chance to actually find support here and rally back up, right? So to do something like this, which is what we want to see. However, I am at this point of time, just in all honesty about the markets, I'm quite cautious. Yesterday I was still relatively bullish. But after the bearish momentum we saw yesterday, and especially after just in general any lack of strength from Bitcoin, I have turned quite cautious. Not bearish yet. For that I want to see us break down below 56,000, but cautious. Also right now, overnight what happened, to illustrate that, overnight what happened is we got a drop. We got a big liquidity spike also. If you look at this, like a lot of longs were liquidated. What you want to see, a good sign, is if we retest like this. All right, so that we almost create a V. But so far, as you can see, we've done something like this. Like there's barely any support after that liquidation spike. So that's technically for Bitcoin a bad sign. So that's why, like I said, I mean, if the stock market keeps falling here, that's very bad, and then Bitcoin will crash. And honestly, when we're talking about the markets right now, I would assume that that's going to happen. And if for some reason we're able to hold this level and actually we'll get some bullish momentum, that's great, and then you have to capitalize on that. But assume that we will, and crypto as a whole will crash, because the crypto market will follow Bitcoin. It's absolutely correlated at this point of time. Altcoins will not hold up while Bitcoin falls. All right, if Bitcoin falls here, which is a possibility, and like I said, I would say that's what you have to assume. That's what you have to prepare most for. Altcoins will follow that as well. And then we'll wait for a better level to bid from. Now, in the chance that Bitcoin is actually able to find support here, and in the chance that Bitcoin is actually able to reclaim 57,000, for example, and get some bullish momentum, then I do think some altcoins will outperform. Now, Bitcoin dominance is still very, very high, so Bitcoin will still be strong, and Bitcoin will still be one of the cryptos that performs the best if we do get that bullish momentum. But there are some other altcoins that were quite interesting earlier this morning. So, for example, when we are looking at 1 inch, relatively strong, got some nice momentum earlier this morning. I think that's a crypto to keep your eyes on. I think dogs is always a crypto to keep your eyes on, even though it is still very bearish at this point of time. Aave, obviously, very strong this morning, bit spiky, so at this point of time I wouldn't buy. In general, I would not buy if Bitcoin doesn't get that bullish breakout, right? But that's, hopefully that was already clear. But that's another crypto that's quite interesting here. And then Reeve, but that's a bit of a scam coin, was quite interesting as well. All right, so Reeve has scammed in the last couple of days, or at least has pumped in the last couple of days, a total of 100%. And it looks like it isn't done yet. So if you really want to trade something, I would trade this, because it's definitely going to be volatile. Not necessarily bullish, but volatile for sure. So those are my views on the markets for now. Next hour will be crucial, as it was also yesterday. I will keep you updated on this in the Telegram group as well. If you're interested in that, it's free to join, so check that out. But for now, that's what I think you need to know. Oh, for example, additionally also on X, right? So if you're interested in that, consider following me there. I post quite a bit on what I think. But that's it for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.